with KHON2 Weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Lapule. Hopefully you had a beautiful Sunday, a breezy or windy Sunday, depending where you are across the islands. And the good news, if you're enjoying these winds, we're going to continue to see that. Another windy day tomorrow with wind speeds 15 up to 30 mile per hour sustained winds, which means some of those gusts, at least here in Honolulu, is reaching the middle section of that 30 mile per hour range. Some areas are seeing up into the 45, nearly 50 mile per hour range. So definitely gusty conditions are continuing. That's why we do have our threats elevated for our winds and our ocean conditions, and all the ocean conditions really are a result of the stronger winds. Wind advisory in effect at least until tomorrow morning for Maui County, Hawaii Island, the summits of Hawaii Island until tomorrow evening. All this darker pink, what you see, that's small craft advisory along with this gale warning, which is in the Alinui Haha channel and the Pailolo channel as well. That's at least until tomorrow evening as well. And it's around Monday into Tuesday where we anticipate winds to weaken just a bit, and that's going to be changing as we progress into the days ahead. For tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow morning may be a little higher than this as this current swell peaks tonight through tomorrow morning. 8 to 12 footers by tomorrow afternoon for the north, 6 to 8 for the west, 1 to 3 down on the south, and 5 to 7 expected for the east-facing shores. And just heads up, around Wednesday into Thanksgiving Thursday will be the next north swell that's expected, so just keep that in mind. In terms of what we're seeing around the island, so the breezy conditions all is a result for this strong high-pressure system north of the islands currently. Behind that is a cold front, which looks to be playing a part the second half of this week. As we progress into Wednesday, right before Thanksgiving, that cold front will be pushed down right north of Kauai, and that's going to be the start of some wet weather moving, and it should be quite brisk moving down the island chain. So the rain is not necessarily the issue with this. It's really what's happening behind this cold front boundary between another new high pressure system which turns in a clockwise direction and even a low pressure system that's going to develop turning in the opposite direction. That's really going to just funnel northerly winds down over the islands for Thanksgiving and even for Aloha Friday, taking us into next weekend. In terms of the UA, as we see the rain, not much expected tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, progressing into Tuesday morning. Mainly just windward showers, and the greatest chance of showers looks to remain for Hawaii Island. There's a slight disturbance that's nearest towards Hawaii Island. But it's, again, once we get into the middle of the week, once that cold front starts to make its way down, that really bumps up some wet weather for Thanksgiving. So heads up on that. But again, that should be moving quite quickly. It's the winds that's behind it that's going to be a little more destructive in terms of the wind speeds. But the good news is the northern direction will help give us that winter feel. For tomorrow, 86 looks to be the high coming in from Maui. Tonight, it's going to be some brisk showers, mainly focusing for Maui County and Hawaii Island. The west side of the island chain was fairly dry for the most part. The good news I really want to point out is Thursday for Thanksgiving, we do have that cold front, so expect some passing showers. But take a look at that high temperature dipping down into the high 70s, those wind speeds up to 35 miles per hour, up to 25 for Aloha Friday. Some winter season is definitely approaching. Have a blessed week, everybody. Sam, back to you.